Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video is a video request on a POE wire. I have someone reached out to me saying that they think their wire is damaged. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a workaround how to fix a damaged POE wire. And this will work with your security cameras, VoIP phone, anything that's POE. Okay, so for those that don't know what PoE is, it's actually power over internet. So let's say your line got damaged for some reason, or you had an animal chew the line up. The orange and green line is actually what sends out your internet signal. The brown and blue is usually your power. So in some devices, you could get away with just these two wires. It all depends on your PoE switch. If your PoE switch is Mold A compatible, that means it needs just these two wires. You get your internet and your power just from these two wires. If your device is not a Mold A, like this recorder right here, pretty much any recorder, then you could get away with only 3 wires. So first things first, we need to find out which wires are damaged. So you could have like the striped blue damage and a solid brown as an example that's damaged. It's not matter, we just need 3 pairs. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to twist this wires all together. And on the other end, we're going to test each one of these to find out if any of these are damaged. Well, I'm going to just go back to this. I just want to remove one wire. So we're going to pretend this is our damaged line. The rest are all twisted together. So now back on this end, just going to separate them all so they're not touching. This way we could test them. Okay, in order to test this, easiest way is a continuity tester. Use a voltmeter. Even one of these things. The way this works is, put your finger right here and you touch the wire. When it lights up, it tells you it's a complete circuit. That means it's good. I'm going to put my voltmeter on. And we're going to test it with the voltmeter. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to put it on 1 and now test every wire. I am getting no sound because that's the line we disconnected. So automatically this line is damaged. So now if I go to the solid blue, now I know all the lines are working. If it doesn't give me that tone, it's a damaged line. So in this case, this little sample piece right here, I know blue-white is damaged. I got to avoid using this wire. I already set this up just to save some time. So what we're going to do is, in this one here, I'm going to pretend the brown and white is damaged. So what I did was I just wrapped it around there. So over here, you do it as normal. We're just going to separate the blue. So we're going to put one blue, keep it where the blue is, which is number 5. And brown, because brown is damaged, we are going to use the blue-white for one of the brown locations. So you're going to put this one in 7 and 8 position. I don't know if the camera could pick that up. But if you take a look here, I got nothing in 5 and I got nothing in 8. So now flip the other side. I'll do the same thing on this side here. So make sure you guys do it exactly the same. The last one doesn't really matter, just so you guys know, if you do put it in number 7 and number 8, it's the exact same. Same thing with 4 and 5. As long as you have one in that slot. So just double check it, make sure they're both exactly the same. Once they are, now we could crimp them. Okay, so it's crimped. We got the brown, both ends disconnected. Let's grab our camera. Plug in one end here and plug in the other end. Here. As you guys can see, the light is on. So it's still blinking. Camera's powering up. Let's check out the recorder. And on the recorder, it's working fine. So that's all to it. If you guys ever run into this issue, so you can run a POE Ethernet cable with 2 or 3 pairs of wires. Okay, so hopefully this helped you out. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.